The case of the Attorney General is that there is a request from the United States that Abba Kyari be extradited. And the law on extraditions guides the procedures as to how you can release a Nigerian. And we believe that this is international politics at play. Because reading the processes we have put before the courts, what Abba Kyari was doing was he was conducting a sting operation where he lay siege, ambush for Wike to come to Nigeria. And there are documents where he has said, he had written to the Attorney General of the Federation, he had written to the Inspector General of the Police that I have got information from Mr. So. Apparently, Wike is a criminal, but let us lie low and play for him to calm down. Those documents were written, and those reports were written several months before the U.S. authority now came up with their story. The U.S. authority, instead of them to now try to understand that what is happening is that Abba Kyari is a super cop who will now want to try to play and get his facts. They took those underlining discussion with Wike online to mean he's a conspirator. Meanwhile, he didn't discuss with Nigerian police. Meanwhile, he did not see the report Abba Kyari had been written to his superior that this is what I am doing. So that is one. Then another thing is that there are other preconditions for extradition. Then number 3 is the fact that this has to do with in a situation where United States of America had themselves granted or given Abba Kyari a commendation award. And they are seeing that Nigerian police is a super and is going over and above the American police. We will not allow them to bring him down the way they brought all the black men who are doing well in the country.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.